Yeah, here we have a Friedrich 9500 BTU air conditioner unit. This is a 110 volt model. It appears to be unused. It's in really good working condition. So we're going to power it up for you. Actually, it's already powered up with the blue light on. And it does come with a remote. And what we'll do is we'll hit the power on here. As you can see. And the compressor just kicked on. It's 79 degrees. What we do, turn this down. Goes down to about 61 degrees. And it is blowing cold air. You have 3 fan speeds. It's a 10.4 EER. I said it's a really good condition. Now, of course, it doesn't have the cover on it. You have the cover right here. Okay. And it includes your window wall trim, your foam piece right here. You have an instruction manual, parts manual, some assembly screws. Here's your 1/4-inch screwdriver, and of course your remote. And this ships in its original factory box. We had to pull it out of the box just to test it. We're not going to let it run too long. And there are some shipping blocks in here. You need to remove those before you run the unit and permanently install it. You just slip it out of its chassis, mount your case, and then slip the internal unit through your window or wall. And we thank you for looking at our product.